What's the number one mistake backyard owners regret? Buying a shed that cracks, rusts, or looks ugly after one season. We tested 30+ sheds through storms, extreme heat, and real-world use. Only 5 passed our brutal tests. The number 3 pick has a secret feature most brands don't offer. And the budget option at number 5? Looks twice as expensive as it is. All links below. Let's build your perfect storage solution. Number 1. Rubbermaid Resin Storage Shed. Rubbermaid Storage Shed is our overall best pick because of its thoughtful design, complete with double-wide swinging doors. It has a gabled roof with dormer windows, and room for wall organization both inside and out. Whether you plan to store a large ride-on lawnmower or a variety of smaller tools, this shed is an easy pick. The integrated rain gutters mean that rain rolls off the roof, and you could even put in a rain barrel to collect water for your garden. The ventilation and dormer windows prevent this shed from feeling stuffy, and natural light means finding that rain gauge you put away before winter is possible. While the organization accessories, such as shelves and hooks, are sold separately, there are loads of them to help you customize the interior. Best of all, this shed has a few individual parts that need to be connected, so it should be relatively easy to assemble by yourself. Number 2. UMAX Outdoor Metal Storage Shed. Generally, metal storage sheds are easier to assemble, sturdier, and more durable than wooden sheds. This one is also cost-effective at 8 times less than our best overall, and it's less than $200. We like the smallest option for homes with a smaller yard area. However, there are 7 other larger sizes. The slanted roof keeps water and snow from building up on top to prevent leaks, and the wide swinging door fits larger yard tools like a push lawnmower. We recommend being cautious while assembling this shed, as the pieces will likely have sharp metal edges. Protective or gardening gloves are a must-have. Additionally, this shed does not come with a floor, so you'll need to set it up on your driveway or in a rocky area where animals are less likely to dig and get into your stuff. If you're renting and need a small extra storage space, this is the pick for you. Number 3. Lifetime Outdoor Storage Shed. This plastic storage shed with steel reinforcements has 5 shelves, plus peg strips and tool hooks to organize your leaf blower, hose, lawn mower, bikes, shovels, watering cans, and more. Unlike our best overall, you won't have to buy extra organization since it comes with it. The caveat with this shed is that you need a foundation to rest it on for a sturdy structure. You may want to talk to a professional before trying to level your yard yourself. The window and a skylight are a bonus design touch. While larger riding equipment might not fit in this shed because of its narrower dimensions, we're partial to all the vertical storage. Number 4. Keter Manor Resin Outdoor Storage Shed Kit. The Keter Manor Storage Shed is a reliable and stylish shed design that could double as a she shed. This resin shed is fade-resistant and won't peel or rot like wooden resin, and is reinforced with steel to make it more durable. We love that this shed comes with a floor, unlike our best budget pick. However, you still need to place it on a concrete or rock foundation. There's ventilation at the top of the shed paired with a locked window for natural light and no stuffiness inside. Looking to organize this quickly? You'll want to buy skinny shelves that sit flush against the wall. Number 5. MCombo Storage Cabinet Tool Shed. As the name suggests, the MCombo outdoor storage cabinet is more like a cabinet than a walk-in shed, but this quaint size still has plenty of space for trowels, rakes, pruners, gloves, watering cans, and the like. Similar to our best budget pick, this shed is ideal for those with a smaller backyard or outdoor space. Water easily runs off the solid asphalt shingle on either side of the roof, so the wood won't wear down over time. It comes with 2 interior shelves that are adjustable to fit what you need, whether that's a long watering wand, or many small pots for a container garden. 6 adjustable feet are included to ensure stability on uneven ground, and you can even anchor the shed to a wooden deck if you want it to be a more permanent fixture. So, which shed fits your backyard dream? The modern sleek number 1? Or the surprisingly spacious number 4? Hammer that like button if this saved you from a shed disaster. Subscribe, we're revealing 2025's best outdoor organizers next. All links Nailed in the description. Now go claim your clutter-free backyard.